Regarding skills and new models of work organization, we are absolutely convinced that the new structure of our markets that are in deeply changed due to the COVID emergency and the pandemic situation happening through all over the world would request an extremely fast changing and adaptation to our company. And we are in a position where an increase of productivity and a shrinking of our cost is one of our daily targets.
We have to face now not one but two great transformations: the digitalization of the economy and the green transition. All actors, economic, social, and political, are challenged to exploit the great potentials of digital technologies and to promote sustainable growth.
We are at a moment in history in which technology is increasingly integrated in our lives. And this is no longer part of the future, but it is the reality that we are living. It is a reality that the Industry 4.0 is changing the way of approaching the productive processes of companies, and it must be understood as a great opportunity to achieve significant improvements, both in productivity and customer loyalty.
Well, it's the main key word is here is cooperation. Cooperation with your buyers and cooperation with your suppliers. You have to be always in the contact with them, listening their needs, listening what they want, and listening how can provide to you what you want. So basically cooperation, contacts and dialogue between all of these factors all the way up and down of your chain of supplies, but also listening to all the companies that can help you horizontally. So basically new technologies, new needs, new markets and so on. So cooperation and dialogue, I think it's the key factor that you're successful in your business.
Here I think digitalization and smart factory technologies could help a lot. Why? Because with these new technologies and digital approach, workers can get a lot of information and transparency of all production processes and all processes that go on in the company, not only production processes.
Digitalization of industry is today not only an opportunity but also a challenge. Virtues of it are remarkable in terms of productivity, cost optimization, and greater opportunities for conciliation of work and family life. However, digitalization and its proper integration into industry will require to address the challenges that poses in terms of work organization and the adaptation of skills and competencies.
A new manufacturing system needs to be more flexible to meet customer demands. Flexibility analysis can be used as a tool in a manufacturing process reengineering. This must impact on manufacturing technology hardware, products in process and design, and well-being at workplaces.
If the question is related to this big trouble we have all around the world with this coronavirus, yeah, they are force us for sure to change something in our work organization, and for sure for the sanitary point of view first of all. But okay, if I want to just mention one in the apart the sanitary change that the work organization that changed because of sanitary reasons. Okay, if I have to see the other ones, I mean, the first that I have in mind is smart working. Smart working now is the new challenge. How we can manage with them now? Because, you know, in the past, so before coronavirus, really few companies introduce and are having in place rules on or offer or proposal for their employees to have a real smart working.
We are clearly living in very challenging times nowadays, and the COVID experience made this even more complicated. But I think if we can take potentially the only positive takeaways from this whole COVID experience is that it really slapped us and really let us understand what's really the potential benefit from leveraging the technology for living better, working more effectively, and really the potential of some of the technology at the center of this digital transformation.